Friends, trust in the power of prayer. That's a power that you have, that we all have individually, that God has given us to be able to reach out to Him, to the universe, and beyond time and space. Good morning, and this is Father Sunny. Welcome to your Dose of Holy. Friends, today is the feast of Saint Monica, the mother of Saint Augustine. And one of the things that we know about Saint Monica is that she was a very prayerful woman, and she really prayed hard for her son Augustine. And what we know from the story is that Augustine was so was such a free spirit that he wanted to be freed from all that stuff from her, from his own mother, and actually refused to be confined within the powerful spiritual and prayerful and religious environment of his own mother. And so he went to Rome, and went to Italy. And while he did that, Monica, who was such a prayerful woman, knew that she had one power that Augustine could not take away. No matter where Augustine would go, no matter what part of the universe he would run away to, there's one thing that Monica had that was very powerful that Augustine couldn't do anything about, and that is the power of prayer. Because prayer is not bound by time and space, but it's a space it's a spiritual space. It's not really bound by matter and time. It's a power that is given to each one of us human beings in order to ascend to the level of the spirit, to ascend to God in this way, and reach out to anything or any recipient of our prayers anywhere in the universe. That is how powerful each one of us are. Each one of us is. We have the ability to, especially in times when we know somebody needs our help and we can't seem to do anything directly about that, whether because the other person is far away or because it's just out of our control what's going on. There's always one thing that we can do, and that is go to our inner sanctuary within us and pray. And for the many things that we would like to do, to accomplish, to help, that is the one thing for sure that we can do. And we have to trust in the power of our prayers, as Monica did in her own time. And that prayer has a wide reach. And you know, one of the things about prayer is that God listens to all our prayers and answers them accordingly. So I would suggest that whatever it is that you are dealing with, or whatever it is that you're desiring, first begin and say, Lord, thy will be done. Number two, say thank you because I know that you already answered the prayer. And number three, begin the petition. So it's very important that we know there are so many stories about prayer that I can relate to you that would tell you that that prayer does have power. Just one of the many, okay, that I can share is I did a petition, an intercession for two brothers back in 2006 when I went on my first pilgrimage to Lourdes, and my parishioner said that her children, both boys, haven't talked to each other for over 10 years since their father passed away because of some conflict with regard to inheritance. And so they have not talked for a long time, more than 10 years. And I brought the intention of that parishioner of mine to Lourdes and prayed to God that through the intercession of Mary, that these two boys, these two children of this woman parishioner, would finally talk to each other. This was in November of 2006. Well, guess what? When the Thanksgiving season came, the Christmas season came in January, this parishioner of mine came to me and said, Father Sunny, you have no idea. I wanted to talk to you for a while now, but thank God I had this opportunity. Thank you for your prayers. My two boys, all of a sudden, the older boy, all of a sudden contacted the younger boy, and now they're talking to each other, and they've been having dinner over the Christmas break, and both of them now are back in peace with each other. So And that woman said she attributes that to the prayer that I did in Lourdes. And come on, is that a coincidence? There's no coincidence in the universe. So that's just one of the many stories. They have so much stories, so many stories to tell you about the power of prayer. So friends, trust in the power of prayer. That's a power that you have, that we all have individually, that God has given us to be able to reach out to Him, to the universe, and beyond time and space, to be able to, seek grace from the Lord to win His favor, but also so that we can give thanks to Him, so that we can acknowledge how good He is, and so that we can already, affirm His goodness even before we ask our prayers, because He knows everything. So there you go. Count on the power of your prayers and celebrate it well, use it well, and praise the Lord for it. This is Father Sunny for another dose of Holy. As we finish, why don't you write down a petition down at the message box here? Something that you would like the Lord to listen to in a special way. Some prayer that you would like to be heard and to be offered to the Lord today in a special way. And let us, I promise to pray for that particular intention at the end of this particular day. So we can all join together in intercessions for the will of God in our lives, in our own time. God bless you all for a happy, healthy, and holy life. This is Father Sunny from A Dose of Holy. Bye.